Hi there, Evergreen Traders. This is JC de Guzman, and this video is for in preparation for the next trading day on October 14, Monday. Today is October 11, Friday. Now, before we start with the first stock in our list, let me encourage you to use some of these calculators that I have created for you. They are on our website. Click on Resources, Tools, and then you'll find those four calculators. All right. So let's talk about the first stock in our list. We got DMC. So DMC closed today at 9 pesos per share. Support is at 8.15. Resistance is near 9.7. Foreign investors registered a net foreign buying or net foreign selling rather worth 45 million pesos. The 10 SMACD combo is bullish. Risk level is low. And the momentum power indicator is also bullish. Unfortunately, the true market sentiment is bearish, but nonetheless, as the technical buy signals are present, those who have a position in DMC, those who may have a position, and those, if in case your trailing stop has not been hit yet and you're planning to add more shares, you can proceed in doing so. The technical buy signals are present, which are those: the 10 SMACD combo, the momentum power indicator. Okay, provided you top up within the dominant range. Now, if you are planning to enter a new position despite the presence of the technical buy signals, do not forget that you must calculate your trailing stop. No, not trailing stop, your reward to risk ratio first. We have a calculator for that as well. Unless and until you are satisfied with your reward to risk ratio, do not position within the dominant range. But at this moment, I am bullish on DMC because of the presence of those uh, two technical buy indicators. Not really two, but the confirmed technical buy signal that we are checking. It's bullish. After DMC, we got Aboitiz Power. It closed today at 38.35. Support is at 36.5. Resistance is near 40.3. Foreign investors registered a net foreign selling worth 12 million pesos. The 10 SMACD combo is unfortunately still bearish. Risk level is low. And how about the momentum power indicator? It's bullish. Fortunately, it's bullish. The true market sentiment is neutral, meaning there's still a tug of war between the bears and the bulls in the case of Aboitiz Power as of Friday. Now, if the 10 SMACD combo is bearish, but the momentum power indicator is bullish, who can only decide to enter a new position or to top up? Those who regard themselves as a disciplined and an experienced trader. If you're not that person yet, I suggest that you wait for the 10 SMACD to become bullish. Okay? I suggest you wait for the 10 SMACD to become bullish before you top up or add more shares. And before you enter a new position as well. Okay? So it's not yet completely bullish for Aboitiz Power. Next is Ferronickel, FNI. It closed today at 1.74. The immediate support is near 1.66. Immediate resistance is near 1.9. The 10 MACD combo is already bullish. MACD already crossed above the signal line. Foreign investors did not participate on FNI on Friday. And the momentum power indicator is also bullish for FNI. The true market sentiment is neutral. It's already bullish for FNI. The technical buy signal is confirmed buy signal is already present. You may top up within the dominant range. Now, if you're going to enter a new position based on what I see here, the last price is still closer to the immediate support than the immediate resistance, meaning to say you're going to get a thicker potential reward than your potential risk. If you're satisfied with that, go ahead and do a test buy within the dominant range. Next is KPPI. It closed today at 11.4, support is at 8.7, resistance is near 13.14. The 10 SMACD combo is bullish. Foreign investors registered an insignificant amount of net foreign selling worth 81,000 pesos only. Risk level is high already. This is not a newbie friendly, but we can disregard this one. This is a high risk score based on the historical volatility because it's an IPO stock, well, a recent IPO stock. Okay, so now let's check first the momentum power indicator. it's also bullish for me despite the bearish true market sentiment. So, if you have had KPPI and your trailing stop has not been hit yet, you can add more shares within the dominant range. Now, if you don't have KPPI and you are eyeing to enter a new position, I suggest that you either wait for a pullback or a breakout because it's already in the middle, in the middle between the immediate support and resistance. In fact, the true market sentiment is bearish. So there's a chance for KPPI to just trade this range. Okay, so consider those possibilities, those probabilities. Wait for a breakout or a pullback near 8.72 or a breakout above 13.14. Okay, so there you go. Next, PPG. It closed today at 10.5. Support is near 9.04 or 9 pesos per share. Resistance is at 10.7. If it breaks above 10.7, the next psychological resistance is near 15.5. That's the 61.8% retracement or extension of the up Fibonacci. Foreign investors registered a net foreign selling worth 237,000 pesos. The 10 MACD is bullish, risk level is high. Newbie traders, FYI, this is not a newbie friendly stock anymore. The momentum power indicator is also bullish. The true market sentiment is neutral. So those who may still have PPG, and if your trailing stop has not been hit yet but you're planning to top up, you can proceed in topping up within the dominant range. If you're planning to enter a new position and you are not a newbie, you are an experienced trader already, you must calculate your reward to risk ratio first. If you're satisfied with that, I suggest that you position within the dominant range, but apparently based on the position of the last price relative to the immediate support and resistance, it's better for you to wait for a breakout above 10.7 and then you reassess if the 10 MACD and momentum power indicator remain bullish when that happens. Okay, next, PNB. PNB closed today at 42.85. Support is near 38.7. Resistance is at 43.3. Wow, take a look at this downtrend channel. The 10 MACD is bearish. Foreign investors registered a net foreign selling worth 3.75 million pesos. Risk level is low. The momentum power indicator is bearish. The true market sentiment is bullish. So let's see if it can revive its position above 43.3 on Monday. But as far as our technical indicators are concerned, it's a bearish, meaning to say the descent in the price is still more than likely to continue for me. That's my interpretation. Risk level is low. So don't enter a new position yet. Not until our confirmed buy signal is present. Okay? Let's wait for confirmed buy signals. I'm bearish on PNB. Next is APC. If you have a position on PNB, that means you did not use a trailing stop. You violated the evergreen strategy. Okay? So APC closed today at 0.59. Support is near 0.57. Resistance is near 0.74. Foreign investors registered a net foreign selling worth 1.19 million pesos. The 10 MACD is bearish. Risk level is moderate. The momentum power indicator is bearish. The true market sentiment is neutral. It's still more than likely for the descent in the price to continue to test the support near 0.57. So don't hurry. Okay, if you still have APC, well, I suggest that you reduce the percentage of risk applied in the formula of your trailing stop. Don't average down. It's not worth it. Don't enter a new position. Don't hurry. There are no technical buy signals like what I've mentioned. Okay? Let's just monitor APC. If you really like APC, monitor it, but don't touch it yet. Don't buy it yet. Next is NIHAO, NI. It closed today at 1.05. Support is near 0.96. Resistance is near 1.11. The 10 MACD is bearish. Risk level is low. The momentum power indicator is bearish. Is it? So yes, it is bearish. The true market sentiment is bullish. So let's see if it can also recover its position above or maintain its position above 1.05 in the hopes that it can break above 1.11. Well, let's see. But for now, we just have to watch NI because there's no confirmed buy signal for us as far as our evergreen strategy is concerned. And if you still have NI, I suggest that you reduce the percentage of risk applied in your trailing stop. And if you don't have it, very good. Don't buy it yet. Next is TFHI. It closed today at 220.6. Support is at 215 or 216 pesos. Resistance is near 241. The 10 MACD is already bearish. Foreign funds registered the net foreign selling worth 364,000 pesos only. Risk level is low. The momentum power indicator is bearish. The true market sentiment is bearish. It's more than the descent in price is more than likely to continue for TFHI. If it breaks below 215.216, where will be its psychological support? It's quite deep already at 157, which is in confluence with a 61.8% extension of the down Fibonacci. So avoid TFHI for now. Next is SOC. It closed today at 0.84. Support is near 0.71. Resistance is near 0.99. The 10 MACD is bearish. Foreign investors did not participate in trading SOC today. Risk level remains low. The momentum power indicator is already bearish. True market sentiment is also bearish. No reason to top up. No reason to enter a new position on SOC. So add it into your watch list if you like it, but don't buy it at whatever cost. Not yet. All right. So this is our daily video for short-term trading purposes only. And then again, please take a look at our investment guide for long-term investors. If you are looking for some pieces of advice for long-term investing, take note of those filters that I've added so that it would be easy for you. It's now easier and faster for you to know which index stocks have confirmed buy signals by using those filters that I have mentioned. So let me show you very quickly. So here, investors, click on 10 MACD bullish, click on momentum power indicator bullish. So we get how many? Six index stocks that have a confirmed buy signal. You can also see the number of filtered stocks at the bottom, showing one to six of 6 entries. Okay. Then you can also check which ones have a bullish true market sentiment. Well, apparently none of them have a bullish true market sentiment because bullish is not part of the options. Mean to say these 6 either have a bearish or a neutral true market sentiment only. But we are only after the bullishness of the 10 MACD and momentum power indicator. All right. Again, my name is JC De Guzman. As always, stay evergreen this coming week. Bye for now.